Hello my daily connoisseurs! In today's video, I'm going to share the secret to a homemaker's success. Can you guess what it is? Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. My name is Jennifer, and I'm a wife, mother of 4, a writer, and yes, a homemaker. I enjoy exploring the world of homemaking on this channel because the life of a homemaker is complex and oftentimes hidden. Today I'm going to share the secret to a homemaker's success. Are you ready to hear what it is? Delighting in the mundane tasks of your day. Yes, delighting in the mundane. What does mundane mean? There are 2 definitions. Number 1, lacking interest or excitement, dull. And number 2, of this earthly world rather than a heavenly or spiritual one. Basically, it's the everyday tasks that we associate with drudgery. We would rather be doing more glamorous or exciting things than our mundane tasks. Washing the dishes, folding laundry, wiping countertops, ironing clothes, making beds. It can all be so mundane. The world is so full of a great many things, as Robert Louis Stevenson said. Everyone else seems to be leading such an exciting life. Why am I stuck here doing these mundane tasks over and over again? Well, the things you do most in life are the most important. Did you ever think about it like that? Think about how many hours of our lives we devote to these tasks. They take up a significant portion of our life. We might as well change our attitude about them. The secret to successful homemaking is delighting in the mundane. Focus on the task you're doing and simply delight in it. Change your mind about it. Change your perspective. Imagine your delight if you were on your way to lunch with a good friend. You would be looking forward to it. You would dress nicely and have a cheerful attitude. You wouldn't be dreading it at all. You would look forward to it, and while at the lunch you would enjoy every moment. We should capture some of that energy when we face our daily tasks. Now, of course, we are not going to be doing jumping jacks of joy when we are cleaning the kitchen, but over time, if we can accept the present circumstances and enjoy that mundane task, we can truly start to change our lives. Because it's all about these moments anyway. These moments are what it's all about. And these moments all start at home. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Daily Connoisseur. And we will see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.